Now, I know some people, when they hear fish farming, they think, oh my God, Becca, it is so stressful, it is expensive, and it is too technical. But I promise you guys, by the time you finish watching this video, you would realize that it is not even as hard as it seems, okay? I'm going to be breaking it all down, step by step. So make sure to grab your pen, grab a drink, just sit tight and let's talk about this, okay?
Ryan Little.
Hey guys, hey Bethans, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new here, hello, my name is Austin Betha, and I love sharing business tips, side hustle ideas and practical ways to actually make money here in Nigeria, okay? Now, if that sounds like your vibe, then of course, go ahead and hit on the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? So today we're actually talking about a business that can seriously change your financial game. Yes, fish farming. Now, it is a very profitable and sustainable business. And trust me, with the right approach, you can actually start small and scale up fast, right? And let me just tell you guys, the demand for fish in Nigeria is massive, okay? The numbers are crazy, but of course, we'll get into all of that in a bit. All right, guys, let's start with a very big question. Why fish farming? Better. What makes it such a good business? Why do you think I should invest my money in this business? Number one, fish is in high demand, okay? Nigeria consumes over 3.6 million metric tons of fish yearly. Yet, the local farmers here only produce about 1 million tons. So, you know that this is already a massive supply gap waiting for you to fill it up. Okay, now, secondly, it is highly profitable, okay? If you do it right, you can make hundreds of thousands of naira in profit, from just one pond. And lastly, guys, last but not the least, it is such a scalable business. You can start very small. You can even start in your backyard and expand as you grow. Yes, let me tell you guys, I once met someone, who started fish farming with just a small pond behind his house. Yes. Now, fast forward to a few years later, he now supplies fresh catfish to top restaurants and even exports to other countries. Okay. Trust me, he did not even have any business background. So it's not like, oh my God, better person don't train him. He actually just followed the right steps. So trust me, if he can do it, why not you? Now, I had a conversation, which is actually why we're going to be talking about, all the steps you need to actually start your own fish farm. All right. First things first, you actually need to decide what kind of fish farm you want to run. Okay. Because here in Nigeria, there are two major types. And the first is the pond farming. And this is best if you actually have space or you want to go big. Say you have plenty money, you want to just go all in. And the second one is tank farming. Yes, this one's actually very good for you if you're starting small or you have limited land space and all of that. Now, here's what many people will not tell you, right? Location is everything. If your water supply is bad, your fish will not grow well and you will lose a lot of money. So before you even build anything, whether tank or whether anyone you want to build, just make sure that the water source in your area is clean and reliable. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is to stock your farm with fingerlings. That's baby fish, right? But trust me, you don't just want to buy it from anywhere. The big mistake a lot of people make is, they buy cheap fingerlings from, random sellers only to find out later that they grow too slowly or they die very easily. Now, instead of that, you want to buy from a very trusted hatchery or a supplier with good reviews and a solid track record. Okay. You want to ask people in your areas, people that are already into the business, oh please, where can I buy fingerlings? I want to start my business. I don't want a situation where I would invest money into this thing and then before I know it, I'm running at a loss. If you approach them well, if you approach them politely, they will definitely tell you. And I've told you guys before in one of our videos where I'm saying to you that, when you go to ask someone who is already in the business, about the business, there's a way to go about it. Don't just go to them like you are trying to become a threat to their business. Don't go to them and be telling them, okay, so Oga, you sell fish now. Tell me about it because me say I want to start my own, I want to cash out. Why would I tell you? For something that's what feeds my family. Why do you think I will tell you where I buy my fingerlings? Why do you think I'll tell you where I buy my feeds? But if you come to me and you sound very polite, oh my God, sir, you're doing such a very good business, and I've been watching you, I patronize you sometimes, patronize them. Mm. I patronize you sometimes, and I'm just thinking, now that I don't really have a job, or now that I'm trying to, have a side hustle, I don't know if you can just tell me where I can get good fingerlings, something I can just start, something very small. I don't mind if you can share with me. There's a way you will tell the person will say, hey, yeah, my pikin, I see say you no wan dey beg, you no wan do yahoo, you no wan cheat people, you wan start business. Oya, come, I go show you where. Or come, I dey sell. Or come, I go give you my supplier number. They will tell you, but you have to patronize them, and your mouth has to be good. Not be some of you feel so entitled, and that's the issue. You dey ask person for help, but your mouth dey run like tap. You no get regard for the person. You fit don even insult the person before, then now you need help, you are now coming to beg. How will I help you? I'm not gonna help you. I will not help you. Okay, so you need to always be of good character. Sometimes I don talk this entire. See, sometimes wetin dey hinder some of us na bad character. Some of us get smelling attitude, and it is so bad. I mean, for someone who wants to go into business, you need to do better. You really need to work on yourself. Okay? Anyways, the next step is feeding and maintenance. Now, this is where a lot of people actually get it wrong. First of all, you overfeed and you waste money. You underfeed and your fish will not grow properly. Okay, so what is the right way to do it? You need to feed your fish twice daily, morning and evening, and you need to do it with high quality feed. And don't forget to check your water quality regularly. Okay, dirty water equals to sick fish, and sick fish equals to loss of money. All right. Now, here's a tip. Before you even start changing water, always remove the uneaten food, or the feeds, the fish waste from the pond. This actually keeps your fish very healthy and saves you money on medication. Not be every day you go dey buy medicine dey give fish. Medicine wey you as human being no dey take normally, you go come dey give fish up and down. No. Sometimes some things can be avoided. Avoid some things. Clean the pond. It will not. Some of you na laziness. If you go just pour. Oya, put water. Oya. They no dey hurry for life. Otherwise, your money go hurry disappear. Okay, so take some time. Just clean the pond. Once you've drained the water, the next thing you want to do, clean your pond. Anyone wey dem no chop, all the shit, all those things, clean am first. Take time. If you no go fit do am, employ people. There's no rule that says that once you start the business, it's you that must do it by yourself. If I were to start a fish farm today, trust me, I'm not gonna be the one farming, because I no get that power. Okay, but if I get the money, I go find people wey get the power. That's the thing. Scratch my back, I scratch your back. Na so this life be. Otherwise, you go just broke. We don dey which thing? February now, na im we dey so. Valentine don go now. Some of una, all your money, you don spend everything for Valentine. Okay, everything is gone. Now you want to start afresh, and I'm giving you a chance to start afresh. Make you for not broke. December dey come. December is coming. Now, moving on to the fourth step, which is you selling your fish. Okay, because I mean, after 4 to 6 months, your fish go don grow, you want to sell, right? Now, how do you sell the fish? There are actually 3 main ways, which is direct sales, bulk supply, and wholesale supply. Okay, now let me break it down. Let's start from the very first one. All right, direct sale is actually you selling to individuals, for their home, for cooking. People wey let dey chop fish for house, you sell to them one-on-one. Bulk supply is you selling to restaurants, to hotels, to bars, and then wholesale is supplying to fish traders at the market. But listen, don't just sit down and wait for customers. So you need to still use social media. You go use WhatsApp, you go use Instagram, Facebook, even word of mouth. Yes, market your business. Market. If they do business, they shame for your business, because the more people know about your farm, the more money you will make. Otherwise, last now you go dey chop the fish, because you get as hunger and broken go take worry you. The fish na every day, pepper soup, catfish grill, you go dey chop am. So you need to help yourself before the matter go pass like that. You go don dey sell the fish, you go don dey distribute to people. Yes, you need to. If you cannot market it again, employ people. You can't do everything. It's not even possible for you to do everything. Okay, me sitting down here talking to you about all of these businesses, it doesn't mean that me myself I do all of these businesses. It's not even possible. So you need to learn to outsource certain things. You can never be, an island. You can never do everything by yourself. If now you will not like to they pay people money to help you do things, I'm not really sure how this business want to be, because you not go fit. You not go fit. Not to say I not tell you. You can't do it by yourself. So be ready to outsource things and be ready to pay the people that you're outsourcing to. Not be say they go do work for you, finish now. Bad character now not go make you pay them. Be warned. Anyways, before I will keep talking, let's make this very interactive. Okay, have you ever considered actually starting a fish farm? Or do you know someone who is into fish farming? Drop a comment below. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. And if you have any questions, yes, ask me in the comments, because the reason I'm even doing this video is because someone had talked about fish farming from the last video, because I pointed at it in the last video. Okay, and I make sure to respond to comments every single time. So of course, there you have it, guys. Everything you need to know, before you start your own profitable fish farm. Now, if you found this video very helpful, please be kind enough to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with someone who might actually find it very useful. And of course, feel free to subscribe for more business and money making tips. Okay, now until next time, keep hustling smart, yes, and keep making that money. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. All right, bye.